Litt markedsinntrykk. Toalettet er der inne, og en velkomstdrikk inngår i prisen, og de står der.
So we start to do the cooking class. There by the Thao will teach you how to cook. So we didn't provide any lunch for you. You have to cook by yourself. You cook what you eat, and you have to eat what you cook. Yes. So the first we give you the apples, and then how to teach you here, and then you go to the station. We have many tables. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you so much for your time for the cooking class today. So I said to you that we make the green mango. We want to show you at the market. Green mango is very strong.
Can you hear or
Clearly?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's very suitable for the salad.
Det är den som ligger så.
We balance the vegetable with the meat, and even the meat. We want the meat from the water and the pork. And then for balance, we add the same amount of this sauce, sweet and salty. Sorry, and then you will cook by yourself. Our team will stay by you. Pancake. This is salty one. It's not sweet. This is the powder, and this is crispy powder. This one is included wheat flour, cornstarch, and rice starch. But the more ingredient is the wheat flour. This is 100% cornstarch. It makes the pancakes more crunchy, more crispy. So we combine two kinds of flour.
Thank
so
you.
I just show you the way to make it.
Ja.
Och det är säkert mycket förnuftigt.
Ja.
And then we mix with the turmeric powder, to make the yellow color.
Okay.
So 3 quarters. We have minced pork, so you can change in chicken, seafood, any you like. We need to chop in the cold water, in the normal water to make it tender, and then we chop it. This is the mushroom, wood ear mushroom. So if you can find, you can change in any kind of mushroom you have. This is the yam.
Ah, ja.
Chopped yam. So if not in your home, you can change in potato or carrot. Everything with little bit of a pinch of salt and pepper.
Jeg kan jo også bare kommentere det at det er ganske sjelden man egentlig bruker salt i vietnamesisk matlaging. Ofte er det fiskesaus i stedet for salt, siden den er saltfermentert fisk.
Spring and pork. You can change in caramelized or chicken or duck. Any kind of meat you like, or mushroom. Tofu if you are vegetarian. So one of each. In one hand, you can spread the flour on the pan and make it thin. Rice paper. Make it more crunchy and more flavor. By this step, you can make the lane for the one. And now we start to roll.
Nej, nej, nej.
And use the eggs to glue the egg. Open the pancake again. This. So, because, yeah, as I said at the beginning, we always balance like protein, flour, and vegetable. And this is we fry with a lot of oil. That's why we need more vegetable. So some lettuce. How much you like you take it? And cucumber. And now one chopstick. Under. Keep rolling. Take the chopstick out. And enjoy with the dipping sauce you make for the salad. It's the same. Thank you. Thank you for watching. This side under. This side. You